Hey, what's going on? This is Brianna, and I'm here on my couch, and I just want to share with you something really short, sweet, and to the point, right? This isn't going to be a very long video. And that is to just do what you can with where you are, or from where you are with what you have, right? It's a simple, simple principle that I live my life by. You know, it doesn't matter what you want in life as long as you're taking the necessary steps in order to get there. You know, I love the quote, and I don't remember who said it. I think it might just be like some kind of anonymous thing, is that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And it's so true. It's so true, because if you're taking the initiative, if you're taking the first step, you're showing to the universe, to God, to higher intelligence, whatever you believe in, that, you know, you're saying, I am committed to living my dreams and living what I want, doing what I want, right? So it could be anything. Your first step could be anything as long as you're acting in accordance to a belief. It could be making a phone call. It could be working out a budget. It could be making a decision to join a business to start making money. It could be getting boxes if you want to move. You know, that was a huge thing for me in my life. And I know that my mom, you know, I'm sitting in this beautiful house that we get to pay for because of the decisions that we made to get started in our online business. You know, we're online entrepreneurs now. We have the ability to do what we want when we want with whomever we want because of the decisions we made. But when we moved here, we knew that we didn't have any money. We didn't really have any success in our business at that point, and there was no way. On the outside looking in, it looked like it was impossible for us to get to where we are today, just a little less than a year later. But my mom and I decided that we wanted to move home. Where we live now, this town, this gated community, was where I grew up. And my mom said to me, she's just like, Brianna, we're getting boxes. Just randomly one day. She's like, stop at Shaw's on the way home from work and we're going to go get boxes. So we filled up my car with as many banana boxes as we could fit in it. I think at that point, you know, my car, it was a utility vehicle, so it fit, you know, like 11 banana boxes or something crazy like that. 11 or 12 banana boxes in the trunk and in the back seat, right? And so she said, you know, we're moving, so start packing. So from there, we started doing things like we started consigning clothes. We started, you know, donating things that we didn't want anymore, throwing things away, packing up every book that didn't have anything to do with personal development, wealth generation, or, you know, mind expansion, right? So like all of my old novels, all my old children's books, we packed away. We packed away old kitchen gadgets that we weren't using, anything and everything we could to put in a box because we were moving. And from there, it seemed like miracles just started happening, where we got raises in our jobs. And at this point, we were still working in corporate America. We got raises at our jobs. We started making money in the business, and it just seemed like money just started showing up, right? And from that decision, our life immediately changed. And it wasn't necessarily the decision, it was the action steps that followed the decision. So I want to leave you with, it doesn't matter where you are right now. It's what you see in your mind that you know that you want to have, that you can have, right? See it before you see it. So I hope this video served you today. And it doesn't matter, like I said, it doesn't matter where you are right now. It's where you're going that matters. Because your past doesn't have to equal your future, my friend. And that was a big thing that I learned getting started in this business. So with that, if your next step in your life is to start generating more income, then join us, because that's how we got here. I invite you to take a look at this. Just for no other intents and purposes, just to say that you can and you did. And I assure you that you will be astonished at the way that the money just starts to flow into your life when you make the decision to actually take action on the things that are in front of you. Now, obviously, I cannot guarantee any incomes. I cannot guarantee that you're going to be in this house or in the, I don't know if I want you in this, in a house like this, right? But I can't guarantee that. But what I can guarantee is that if you do nothing, nothing will change. So with that, hit the link below, button below, to the side, wherever you happen to see this video. If it's on Facebook, if it's on YouTube, join us. I invite you to take a look at it. You'll probably have to opt in again. And if so, you'll get my ebook again. You know what I mean? It's a win-win for everybody. So with that, I invite you to take a look at this. join us, because you could be living in a house like this. You could be living in your dream home. You could be driving your dream car. If you see it here and you take the necessary action steps to just be great, then greatness will come to you. So with that, take care, my friend, and I will see you on the inside. Mwah.